I am going to show you how to load all text file in a directory, not just one text file but all the files from a folder at once using directory loader, and this approach can be used to load all the PDF files or any other file format that you are going to use. You just have to replace the text file with .pdf, and if you follow the same approach you will be able to read all the PDF files or all the HTML files or all the different files that you want to read. The concept is going to be same, the code is going to be same. The only difference will be you will have to write .pdf or .html or any other format that you are going to use. So let's see. Let's import from LangChain dot or underscore community dot document loaders, import directory loader. Let us execute our code. I'm going to create an object of this directory loader. I will write here loader and then I will call this directory loader, and I will pass the folder that I am going to use here. So I have this folder here. If you come here, this is the folder text file, and in this I have total 4 text file: first, second, third and fourth. So first text file is sample underscore text, and the second one is text1, text2 and text3. So I'm going to call this text underscore files folder, and this will read all these 4 text file. And I can also show you ls. So here you will see we have this text underscore files that I have just shown you. Now I'm going to pass this one, and to pass it I will first write r, and then let me get the path also, pwd. So this is the path. I will copy it from here and then I will paste it here, and I'll remove one slash from here, and then after this I will call this folder here, or I will pass this folder name text files, and then I will put a comma. So the first argument is the path of the folder, and the second is going to be glob, and here I'm going to pass in single quotes double star slash double star, and then the file format, that is txt, because we want to read all text file here. So in case you want to read all the PDF files, so here you have to write .pdf, and if you want to read .html, so here you will write .html. Otherwise everything else will remain same, and not just PDF or HTML but any other file format that you want to read from a directory, you just have to replace it with that file format here. And then I'm going to pass one more parameter, which is a very interesting one, which will show us some visual when we are going to execute this code to load all the files, and that is going to be show progress. So I will write a comma and then show underscore progress is equal to true. Now let us execute our code. Invalid syntax. I have to remove this white space, and then I'll execute this code again. Now if I call this loader here, so it will tell us the memory location. Now to get the content from all of this text file, we will have to call load function on this loader object and save it in a new variable. So I'm going to make a new variable. Let's say the variable name is going to be docs, and then I will call this loader. From this I will call the function load, and then I will press enter, and here you can see this progress bar, and this is coming because of this parameter show underscore progress is equal to true. And here you will see we have total 4 text file, and it is showing 0% only, and now it is 100%, and 4 by 4 because there are 4 files. And if you want to see if it has loaded all the 4 files or not, you can just check length, and I will call this function length of docs, and you can see there are 4 files. And if you look at our folder here, so there are total 4 files, 1 2 3 and 4. Now to print it, first I will just call this docs, and you can see that we have this document object and then we have this page content. So we should have 4. So this is the first one, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth, because we are having 4 files. And let us call a for loop on this to print it in a nice way, and then I will show you our actual text file and we can compare the content from here and the actual file. I will call here for document or document in docs print first document source, and this is going to be document dot metadata dot get. This is going to be source and then unknown, and then second statement is going to be print page content. So I will put double quotes here because I did here also, comma document dot page underscore content, and then one more print statement, and this I'm going to remove it from here. This is an extra code, print, and this print statement will add a new line. Let us execute our code. And now here in the output you can see we got a nice output here. So the first file is our this one. Text files are commonly used for various purposes, including writing code snippets, saving configuration settings, and so on. This is a sample text file. You can put any text content here. So if I open first one, so it starts with, this is a sample text file. You can put any content you wanted, and here also we have the same statement. Then let us look at the second one. So if we go to the second one, so this one, that is sample underscore text 1, and if I open that one, so I'll go here, sample underscore text 1. So here we have, this is sample text file 1. You can put any text content, and if I compare it with here, so this one, this is a sample text file 1, so it is also same. And then in sample, this is this next one, sample text 2, and we have this page content. You can put any text content you wanted. This is a sample text file 2, and if I open this one, so you can see this is a sample text file 2, and if I open third one, so this is a sample text file 3. You can put any text content here, and then if I compare it with here, this is sample text file 3, this is a sample text file 3. You can put any text content here. So it has read all the text file from this directory, that is this text underscore files, and we were able to read all the text file. So this is how you can read all the text file from any directory. You just have to pass the path and then these parameters, and you can do this for your PDF file, HTML, or any other file format. This is all about how you can read all text file at once. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.